Hello everyone, I'm Batpan, a bat who has a slow internet. In today's video, we're gonna see how to make a word or a character inside a sentence with a different color. This video will be put inside a series of videos covering Unity tips and tricks. As you guys might know, I have published my retro horror game called Fractured Psyche. It's available both on Windows and Android. It's a psychological horror game. If you're into this stuff, you can actually check it out. The link's in the description. With all that being said, let's put on the mask and begin. So, at first, we need to actually create a text to write it in different color. So how do we do that? We first create a UI canvas. We make the canvas settings like this. Scale with the screen size. Give it full HD resolution 1920 by 1080. Put this one at 0.5. Then we add a UI panel inside it. These are some simple things. And I'm gonna deactivate any texture, remove any texture on it, and make the panel 100%. Click on this anchor, hold Alt and click this one so it stretches to the whole screen. Then again, I'm going to right click on the canvas and create a UI TextMeshPro. It will add a TextMeshPro in here. This method actually works with the TextMeshPro. If you don't have TextMeshPro in your package, when you make it, two window is going to pop up here. You can click on install on the first one and on the second one. So the TextMeshPro will get added to your project. Then I'm going to go to the scene view. I'm going to press on this 2D to go to this 2D view, and I'm going to see my text. I'm going to make it like this, cover the whole screen. Then what I could do is I could write some text in here. For example, so this is just a normal text I made. Let me just say I want to make Unity tutorials, for example, red in this text. The others should be the same, no change to the others. I only want to make Unity tutorials red. So what I do is I go to this text input inside TextMeshPro. You have to select TextMeshPro. You're gonna find it here. Right before Unity tutorials, I'm gonna add a space. I'm gonna say this one, color, it has to be small, equal to red, and close it. You see, when I close it, it becomes red. But the problem is anything you write after it is going to be also red. So how do we end the color so only the Unity tutorial is red? So what you do is you're going to again open \color and end. And that is to make one word inside your text a certain color. For example, I want to say instead of red, I want to make it yellow. You're just going to say yellow or blue. Let me just make Batpan, for example, a certain color, so color equal to yellow. And you see it has a problem, so what I do is I add a \color to only make the Batpan yellow. So you see now I can use individual color for each individual characters or words or sentences inside my own text. So that is how to change it from the editor. Let's see how to change it through scripts. For example, you want to change your text inside the script. So I'm going to create a new script. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it scripts. Then I'm going to create a mono behavior script. I'm going to call it write with different color. Then I'm going to open it. Inside it, I'm going to get a reference to my TextMeshPro. So public TextMesh. We don't have TextMeshPro here, so we're just gonna say using TM-Pro up here, so we can get a reference to our TextMeshPro UGUI, which is like subtext. I'm gonna call it subtext. Then inside void start, I'm gonna change this value. I don't need void update in here. So inside void start, so we can give it a value subtext.text equal to, for example, hello, I'm Batpan. So hello, I'm Batpan. For example, you want to go to the next line, so N. Then you can say I love pizza, for example. Right now I'm gonna say I love pizza and I want to make the pizza, for example, yellow. So again, we have to do the same thing. Open color equal to yellow, then close pizza. Then I'm gonna again close it with \color. And that is how to write it through the scripts. You see, let me just show you what's gonna write. See, I did it through the scripts, and the way I did it is super easy. So I said hello, I'm Batpan. Then I told it to go to the next line, Then I made a new, for example, you see sentence, I pressed enter, it automatically went to the next line, but it is like this. You see, I add a plus. So what I have here is hello, I'm Batman. Go to the next line, then add a new sentence. You can just write it here. I did it because it is actually easier to understand. So I said I love color equal to yellow pizza, and if I want to change Batman, for example, to blue, then I close it like this. You can again go ahead and check it out. See, it says hello, I'm Batman, I love pizza. So that was how to make individual colors for each character or a word inside a sentence inside Unity. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, a like really helps. You can subscribe to see more contents like this. You can tell me anything in the comment section below, and anything you have to say, you want to say directly to me, maybe suggestions, anything you want to say, you can definitely say it in the comment section below. I would gladly read them all and I will gladly answer them. Hope all the very best for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.